Hello and welcome to JBrit75. Today I'm going to show you exactly what I do, how to screen record and get sound. First of all, you need, if you've got an iOS device and it's iOS 11, if it's not, this not work. Go into your settings, there we go, Control Center, then Customize Controls. I see my screen recording's on. If it wasn't on there, it'll be further down on this part. Then once that, in fact, I'm going to add my Apple remote while I'm there. Once that's been done, what you have to do is come out of Control Center, come out of it all, back to your main screen, which was on. Then you swipe up from the bottom. Done. The red light flashing there, that's saying it's recording. Now, all you got to do is tap it and it counts down 3, 2, 1 and it records. If you don't have sound, when you're not recording, hold the record button down, pops up a new menu and all it says is add microphone or turn microphone on, and that's done. It's as simple as that. And when you're recording your screen, you know you are, because you've got a red bar at the top like you can see on this. I hope this is helpful. I hope you subscribe to me so I can put more videos on. Have a great day. Bye.